Top 10 Most Luxurious Yachts in the World. 10. Bonetti Air Yacht, Bonetti Queen M. One of the most iconic yachts to grace the world seas, the Bonetti Queen M received a complete refit in 2013. The yacht in question was launched back in 1998, and even then, it set new standards in the world of luxury on the seas. Measuring 50 meters, the super yacht also received a brand new name, which signifies new beginnings and a breath of fresh air. The Bonetti Air is now a contemporary charter yacht, which means that you could take it out for a spin provided you have the cash for it. Small enough to brave the waters of bays and anchorages, Bonetti Air is also large enough to host large groups in lavish conditions. The yacht's improvements include a complete exterior revamp, as well as redesigned interiors. Nautically inspired main saloon is just one of the most noteworthy highlights, but we should also mention the welcoming and luxurious cabins and the full-beam private apartment located on the upper deck. There are 5 cabins available in total, which are enough for up to 10 guests. On-board toys include a flyboard, diving gear, a sea-doo watercraft, sea bobs, kayaks, and even fishing gear. 9. Wager 55S Motor Yacht. Not everybody can afford a lavish super yacht, that's true. But maybe, just maybe, not everybody needs one. If you're more of a water sport fan, you'll definitely be better off with a sleek and powerful motor yacht. In comes the Wager 55S, a dashing vessel created by the Dutch shipyard Wager Yachts. Powered by a trio of 435 Volvo Penta IPS 600 engines, this boat's top speed surpasses 40 knots, which is enough to impress even the most demanding enthusiast. Power aside, the Wager 55S is equipped with a plethora of amenities, which is quite impressive for its size. Its outdoor galley, for example, includes a grill, an ice maker, and a refrigerator. Therefore, you'll definitely be able to enjoy the view and relax after you've put those engines through their paces. 8. Sunseeker 76 Yacht. We've featured our fair share of Sunseeker yachts here at LuxFeed. There's a good reason for that too. The British yacht builder is one of the most respected in the world, and we definitely enjoy presenting their newest creations, as they're always in trend when it comes to design and practicality. Sure, a yacht needs to be luxurious, but it also needs to be quick and comfortable. The Sunseeker 76 Yacht ticks all the right boxes, and even though it measures just 76 feet in length, it's definitely large enough to make you feel like royalty. You'd be hard-pressed to find a more impressive foredeck social area on a 76-foot yacht. Moreover, the back of the flybridge could house a hot tub with ease, but these are just a few of the vessel's main highlights. This yacht boasts an open-plan main deck, as well as Wenge hardwood flooring and silver oak interior woodwork. Then there's the chef's galley, the 2 large lounging areas, 360-degree windows, and a modern helm station that meets the most demanding requirements when it comes to equipment and performance. 7. Azimuth 55 Yacht. It's true that it's not the largest yacht in the world, but Azimuth 55 is arguably one of the most impressive vessels of 2018 at the time of writing. That's because it offers a fantastic mix of high speeds, maneuverability, and lavishness. This small yacht is scheduled to make a debut at Boot Dusseldorf this year. With a rather large and spacious flybridge, the vessel offers a secondary living area at its rear, which is sheltered from prying eyes. However, the main deck was designed specifically for social activities, which is why it includes a sun lounging area in the bow. Shading is provided by a large bimini top, while the backrest is versatile enough to serve as both a sun lounger and a chaise longue. Azimuth 55 was put together using high-end materials, that's for sure. These include gray zebrawood and dark oak, bronze and steel, while a glossy black lacquer adds a final touch of luxuriousness. The main accommodations are located on the lower deck. That's where we'll find 2 double cabins at the bow, as well as a full-beam owner's cabin with rectangular windows. Performance-wise, Azimuth 55 is powered by 800 man engines, which guarantee a top speed of 31 knots. 6. Elements Motor Yacht. The living standard for ordinary people nowadays rivals that of the old kings. However, the luxury world is constantly evolving, and with it, so is the yachting industry. Nothing spells lavishness quite like an expensive and imposing superyacht. The Elements motor yacht is a step ahead of the competition, and you're about to find out exactly why. First of all, this vessel measures 262 feet in length, which is about 80 meters. It's not the largest yacht on the seas by any measure, but it's large enough to make its owner feel like royalty. Its unique architecture was envisioned by Alpha Marine, and its interior layout is spacious enough for up to 24 guests and a crew of 19. Sketched out by Cristiano Gatto, the interiors are clad with expensive materials such as fine leather, plush linens, and the finest woods. 5. Dynamic GTT 115 Super Yacht. Some time ago, we told you about the GTT 115 Hybrid Yacht project. You know, the one that was designed by Design Studio FA Porsche and built by Dynamic. Well, it looks like this. Monumental vessel has finally hit the waves, and we're proud to present the very first official images of it. As you can see, the yacht meets and surpasses the most excessive requirements in terms of luxury and lavishness. The fine choice of materials for the interior is definitely something that we'd expect from Dynamic, especially given the Porsche collaboration. Measuring 35 meters in length, the GTT 115 will be a part of a limited edition of just 7 units. Therefore, yachting enthusiasts from all over the world will be racing to get their hands on one of these vessels. 4. Giochi de Super Yacht by Codicasa. The Italian shipyard Codicasa has been around since 1825, but after it unveiled its vintage series about 6 years ago, it started on a true path to greatness. As the years passed, so did the shipyard's renown, especially since its experts strive to design and create purely exceptional, classic-looking vessels that are as gorgeous as they are expensive. 3. Eco-friendly Arcadia 85S Yacht. If you're looking for a luxurious and eco-friendly yacht, you should definitely check out some of Arcadia Yacht's offerings. Our suggestion for the day is represented by the Arcadia 85S Yacht, which offers a perfect mix of comfort, sleek looks, and eco-friendly technologies. Keep in mind, we're not talking about electric propulsion here, as the 85S is powered by two 730 man diesel engines. Since we're on the subject, the engines ensure a top speed of 18 knots, while a 12-knot cruising speed is enough to guarantee a range of 850 nautical miles. 2. San Lorenzo SX88 Yacht. What makes a yacht perfect anyway? Most of them are luxurious and comfortable, and modern ones are able to traverse the oceans without a care in the world, which means that yacht builders need to get creative when they design and build these exquisite vessels nowadays. 1. Heesen Maya Yacht. Dutch shipyard Heesen Yachts has created a truly monumental superyacht dubbed Maya, a name inspired by a shining star in the Taurus constellation. The vessel in question measures 50 meters or 164 feet in length, and it boasts a full displacement design that will soon amaze yacht lovers from all over the world. The project is still in construction, but its exterior layout envisioned by Clifford Den is almost complete, while the interiors sketched out by Raymond Langton will surely be something to write home about. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.